Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Roblox Gamepass on your mobile device. First, open your preferred mobile browser and go to the Roblox Creator Hub. Once there, log into your account. Next, find and tap on the Creations tab. This section displays all the experiences you have published. Choose the particular experience where you intend to add a new Gamepass. This initial step is crucial for setting up your Gamepass effectively. Now that you've selected your experience, look for the Associated Items tab and tap it. From the options presented, select Passes. You'll then see a button labeled Create a Pass. Tap this to begin the creation process. You'll need to upload an engaging image, give your Gamepass a memorable name, and write a descriptive explanation of what it offers. A good description can significantly boost its appeal to players. Once your Gamepass is created, tap on it to open its individual configuration page. On this page, you'll find several tabs. Select the Sales tab. Here, you must toggle the item for sale switch to the On position to make it available for purchase. Then, carefully decide on a Robux price. Remember, Roblox takes a 70% commission, so consider this when setting your price to ensure you receive your desired amount. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the details you've entered: the image, name, description, and especially the price. Ensure everything is accurate and appealing. Once you are satisfied, tap the Save Changes button to publish your Gamepass. It will then be live within your chosen experience. Finally, it's highly recommended to test the Gamepass in your experience to confirm it works as intended for your players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.